Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Aditya Rapsan. So in today's video we are gonna make this wonderful form by using HTML and CSS. As you can see, if we hover that, it's round circle of border, and if you unhover it, there is a simple border coming there. So without wasting time, let's go to our VS Code. At first I'm gonna change the title to my channel name is Younger Coding, then link the CSS file, and in body I'm gonna add a class name of con and then a class of form, then h2, and h2 text will be login. After that I am gonna add another class, which class name will be input box, and in input box input type is equal to be text, and placeholder for first one I am gonna use username. Okay. Then I'm gonna copy this input box class, then gonna paste it again, and the second one type will be password, and placeholder also be same as like type like password. Then I'm gonna again copy this, and the last third one will be submit means a button. Okay, and not placeholder, in there it will be value which will be submit. Okay, then I'm gonna add another class of links. In there I have two links, so and let me recognize it. So there will be hash, that's links nothing. So first one will be forgot password, and the second one will be sign up. This is a demo form with border effect. So we should change the value to login should looks good. Okay, so let's have first to our look in our DOM. So this is our first look of our form. So then in CSS I'm gonna targeting all, and its margin will be 0, padding will be 0, and box sizing will be border box, and font size will be font family will be Poppins, which I imported from Google, and body background will be this kind of RGBs. I like this for any kind of background of body. Display will be flex, justify content center, align item center, and main height will be 100 vh to take it in the middle of the DOM, and color of every line of code will be white, as you can see. And let me minimize that to your better understanding. And in first of all I'm gonna targeting con class, and its display will be flex, justify content, not justify self, justify content also be and align item will be center. Okay, I'm gonna use height to 600 pixels and width to 600 pixels. Okay, and border will be 2 pixels solid white. For now I'm gonna use that. Okay, after this we are gonna targeting form class. Okay, let me go to, then I'm gonna targeting form class, and its height will be 400 pixels, width will be the same as height, and I'm gonna copy these 3 lines of code and gonna paste it in form class CSS, and flex direction will be column, and I'm gonna use gap. Okay, gap will be 25 pixels is good for my eye. Okay, however let's target the under form h2, and it will be font size will be 2.4 em. Why isn't working? Oh sorry, not former, it will be form. And I'm gonna use color to cyan. Text shadow will be 1 pixels, 1 pixels, 10 pixels cyan, and the last it's done for our h2. Then I'm gonna target input box class, and it will be its height will be 50 pixels. Not input box, it will be input box under input. Okay, and its width will be 320 pixels, that looks good, and padding left will be 10 pixels. And then in there I'm gonna use bg for background, and background will be this. I'm gonna selecting this. Okay, and border will be none. Okay, and border radius will be 20 pixels. Use 20 pixels. We should change the background to transparent, and we should also add a border 1 pixel solid, these RGBs, which RGB are, which radius is 1.5. That looks more prettier than before ones. Then I'm gonna copy this line, and if we focus, not placeholder, it's placeholder color, Okay, its placeholder color will be white, not full white. Okay, smart white. So I'm gonna use in here also RGB value, and this RGB looks pretty. Then okay, then I'm gonna use font size in color, then that will be this. Then at the last one, for last one, form dot input box input focus type is equal to submit. That means I'm targeting the button which text is login. Okay, double code, and in there the type will be submit. So let's write out this background. I'm going to use linear gradient, and that will be 45 degrees, and add a comma, then blue violet. I'm going to use two colors, one is blue violet and second one is one's orange red. That's are my favorite colors. Okay, and I'm going to use border to none, as you can see, and cursor will be pointer. Then font size will be 1.4 em is good for it's good. Then I'm gonna use font weight to 600, and width will be 300 pixels, and height will be 45 pixels. Targeting this line, so if we hover the button, the background should change its color. So I'm gonna copy this. First of all, I'm gonna cut the blue violet and gonna paste it after orange red. That changes the colors. As you can see, if you hover, it changes the colors of button. As you can see, we are so let's target links, and in links our display will be flex. I'm gonna use justify content to space between, or not actually space between. I'm gonna use to display justify content to center, align item to center, and gap gonna use 80 pixels, and margin bottom will be 40 pixels. Then I'm gonna use links which color will be white, and text decoration will be none. Yeah, as you can see, let's remove the underline in forgot and sign up. I'm gonna use the color lighter darker than white. So you can see, oh, in there I'm gonna target. I added 3i after con class, and that's g index will be that's, and I added style with some colors. So, and its border will be 2 pixel. As you can see, inside 0 means that won't go inside out of this box, and g index mean it's the form is upper than the I tag, and I have 3. I added 3. Okay, so let's go and search fancy border radius. Okay, then select your what color border radius you like. So first one, entire style border radius will be this, and then I'm gonna copy this line and gonna paste it 2 more additional time. Okay, then I'm gonna select another radius for the second one. Then this one is for second one, and this one will be for third one. Okay, that's good. Let's have a look. That's our radius, because I added 3, and then I also used style is equal to minus minus color and 3 different color. So if we hover the con class, and the I will be border 5 pixels solid, and where that means every minus minus color, that means 3 colors of the that. And I'm gonna use filter to drop shadow 0 pixel 0 pixel 24 pixels as the where color. I'm gonna use animation. The name will be animate 8 seconds, linear and infinite. Okay, then I'm gonna keyframes identifier will be animate in 0% and 100%. In the curly braces, I'm gonna use transform will be rotate 0 degree, and in the 100% transform will be rotate 360 degree. That moves around an infinite time. As you can see, it looks good, as you can see. So in the container.i, its display will be none. Okay, I'm gonna copy this line of code and gonna paste it, not cut, gonna copy. And in there, if we hover the con class, the eye display will be blocked. So as you can see, if we hover, it comes, and if we don't hover, it's gone. Okay, and let's uncomment this. So if we hover, then I'm gonna use .con.hover, and border will be none of this. So as you can see, if we hover, that's borders come, and if you unhover, the border goes. Okay, I'm gonna use the animation to the child of eye to and gonna change the seconds and reverse. I'm gonna use reverse, and it's second 18 seconds, that's move different timely. Okay, as you can see, we added 3 corn styles. So we also we should add 2 more. Okay, 2 more. Then I'm gonna copy this two lines of code and NTS child of 4 and 5. That means 5i. Okay, as you can see, let's change the border radius. Okay, I am changing anything. You can go on the side, and that will be good for you. Okay, that looks pretty. And we should change the colors. We should change the colors of style, and it will be cyan, and that one will be this blue RGBs. That looks more pretty than before one. So let's the cyan border don't look so pretty, so we should go there and select our border radius. Then I'm gonna paste the border radius in cyan, that will be NTS child 4. Okay, that looks now so pretty though. So this is our, and we are also gonna use reverse in the child 4 one, and also in the 5th one infinite. Okay, and the 3 one also be infinite. So as you can see, we're done. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. That's our beautiful form button, which you can make HTML and CSS with CSS hovering effect on border radius. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.